I'm on a mission to learn as much as I can about nature by observing the world around me. So let's go on a walk while we're staying at a remote cabin in Seward and see what we can find. Ikagai? Look at this cool rock. I wonder what makes that pink and all of that red. I believe this is part of an old boat wreck. You can see the plant life growing on it, which is really cool. These really old, big nails. They almost look like mushrooms with how big their top is. This is a very funky shaped rock. Look at all these barnacles growing on the metal. Oh look, we have a clamshell. Oh, there's still even part of a clam inside of it. Oh, wow. Put you back then. Here's another part of a clamshell. You can tell because it's really nice and pretty purple. The barnacles, and I don't know what kind of plant this is. It's growing everywhere too, and this almost looks like algae. I think this is some form of seaweed, but I'm not sure. It looks really cool in this whole bed like this. It's like, I'm not sure how to describe this texture. The end of the plant is almost like air-filled, so it's really bouncy and squishy. And then it's this, so it's got two little lobes. I'll have to look up what this is when I get home. Got a couple of, they look like seagulls. I don't think they're kittiwakes. Wow. Look at all the barnacles growing on here. Oh, and there's a snail. And there's another snail. There's several snails on here. Look at them. They're so small and black. Oh, they're so cute. There's a lot of snails living on this big rock with all of these barnacles. It's another kind of snail. I'm not sure what snail this is, but it's clearly a snail as well. How cool is that? And then look at all this lichen also growing. So you can see based off of how high the plant life and barnacles are, that's how high the tide will come up into this area. The area here has some of the highest tides here. In this cove, the tides will come in pretty significantly. There's another clamshell. This one's fully intact. Look at this beautiful red rock. It's amazing to see all of the different colored rocks that come into this area. This sandy like stuff is black because it's mostly glacial silt. Look at this really cool piece of ocean plant matter. It's got really big leaves. And there's also this little piece that came off of it. That's really cool. Another red rock. I love seeing these rocks with all of the little white spider webs on them. Makes for some of the coolest looking textures. Here's another. This one might actually be what this one's fully intact as well. And we've got a little sea lion. Do you see him? Hello, sea lion. a very cool shaped rock. This was another really bright red one. Ooh, there's part of a crab right here. It's dead, but a crab. Got a couple of different shells here. This is another part of a clam. This one is much smaller. They're stuck together, so you can't really pick them up. And here's some more. Oh wow, there's a really teeny tiny one. Wow, look at how small that is. Ah, so cute. I have so many things to look up when I get back of what some of these are. There's so many clams right here. These black ones are all clams. Don't want to disturb them because I'm not sure which ones are alive and which ones aren't. But there's a lot of clams here. This marine life really love them. I saw a lot of fish jumping today, which is probably what that sea lion was eating. There's another really cool looking rock. The white stripe on it. These barnacles growing on these rocks. Look at how this tree grew. This big old rock in between the roots here. It's so cool. And there's a bunch of crustus lichen growing all over the place. And this really cool fuzzy moss. Love that you could tell this moss has gotten a little bit more water because it's a lot greener and taller. So many signs of spring. The alders have buds starting to come in. You can tell this is an alder because of all the little spots on the bark. Alder has tons of little white spots on it. This is newer growth, so it's a more dark brown. The older growth is a little bit more gray. It also has these distinct two types of pine cone looking things. So they have these longer cones, and then they also have these more round like cones. So this is the freshwater source for this area here for where we're staying at in our cabin. It's just runoff from snow up the mountain. Look at these very beautiful flowers. I'm not sure what kind of plant this is. They're bell-shaped flowers, which remind me a lot of blueberries. This doesn't quite look like a blueberry bush. I'll have to look. They're pink bell-shaped flowers. Some kind of berry. Oh my gosh, that's so soft. Look at the lichen growing right here. It's amazing. Thanks for joining me on a nature walk. I hope this inspires you to get outside, explore nature, and look at all the little things you see around you.